Google Translate is a free way to make money. I'm going to tell you about a brand new way to use Google Translate to make a lot of money online for free. Now, these are all the possible amounts of money you could make: $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000. This is a warning though, because you have to follow my simple and straightforward instructions. You don't need any skill or insight to do this. The most interesting thing about this method is that it's free. Well, this doesn't cost any money, and you can do it anywhere in the world. No matter where you're from, you can use the current method to start making money on the web. So, this is how much money you can make with the current method. If you use Google Translate to translate one document, you can make between $50 and $100. When you figure out how to read 5 documents, you can get as much as $500. When you do it for 10 documents, you can get up to $1,000. This is so easy to get that you can keep doing it over and over again. So I think you should watch the video until the end to learn how to make money with Google Translator. Welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's another big money moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cows community and making money online with us today. Go ahead, slap that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you won't miss out on any of our latest money-making secrets. Now let's do this. I'll show you how to do everything step by step. You can do it on your computer or your phone. I will tell you how to use the Google Translator in the best way. You can make a lot of money on the internet, but you have to follow all of my steps. Before you go to the site, which is latium.org, you need to go there first. I need to tell you how to sign up for it. In this video, I'll explain how this works, what all the tools are, and how everything is set up, so you can do exactly what I did before you go on and try it yourself. So, I need to show you that this site has a lot of buying potential. As you can see, the awards here range from $1,000 and $500 to $4,000 and $250, depending on whether you win $1,000, $500, or $1,000. There are a lot of ways to make money and a lot of jobs for people all over the world. So, if you're from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, or any other country, there are a lot of chances for you, and you can join this open door right now from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it the best way. So hurry up and watch the way it works. Then I'll tell you how to join and really get a free information exchange reward or free cash in a second. So ensure you don't pass up that. Step 1. When you go to this website and sign up, you'll be able to look at different projects, like the one I just showed you. You can find projects like this one on the marketplace. There are many projects going on. You can do different jobs and take on different offers. You can make money in US dollars, cryptocurrency, or PayPal. There are a lot of different ways to pay in your country. So you can check out the different tasks you can do on the latium.org stage. Then you can make a bid, and if you win, you can start working right away. Then you can get paid in less than 24 hours. It's a very fast payment plan, and they pay you on time every single day. Step 2. So, the second step is to finish the job. Then you can show off your work using the Latium.org content management system. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, so make sure you stay tuned. Step 3. This is what we all love, which is that you can get paid after your work has been looked into. Approved, your payment will be sent quickly to your Latium.org wallet in less than 24 hours. It's a very quick interaction, so I'll tell you how to join right now. When you go to Latium.org, you need to click on I Need to Work, and then click on this button. Then, as you can see here, you're going to hit on this page. Then, when you get to that point, click on I'm Not a Robot, and then click on Proceed With. So if you do that and sign up, you should be able to get a free $1 sign-up bonus. But you need to check your email account. So make sure you check your email inbox and click on the enactment interface. They can set up your Latium.org record for you. After you sign up, you should be able to see your free dollar. So, once you log in to your account and click on Browse Projects, you should be able to see different projects you can join, and you can choose whatever you want. You can do the jobs and get paid, but the problem is that there are so many different things to do. So many things to do, and I know that many of you and I don't have a clue. For example, I don't have the slightest idea how to make realistic plans. I have no idea how to build a website or write code. I also have no idea how to do usability testing. The good thing about this is that you don't need any skills or experience. To do this, all you have to do is keep going and pay close attention to the translations and dialects. So, when you get to this area, you will tap on this meaning and language in the upper right corner. Right now, you can see that there are many things you can do to learn about language and how it is used. So, as you can see, people are making as much as $25 per job just by figuring out what people are saying. For example, from Chinese to English or from Japanese to English. In a minute, I'll show you a few examples of online jobs you can do to make money. For example, you could get Chinese articles, as you can see here, and you'd need to translate your job from Chinese to English. After that, you'd get $75. There are also some jobs that they think you should translate from Japanese, and you'd need to do that from Japanese to English. For each of those jobs, they'll pay you $100. When you're done with your tasks, they'll pay you in digital currency, as you can see here. You can also get paid in US dollars, bank transfers, PayPal, Webcash, Skrill, or Payoneer. You can look through all of the different ways to pay for things on this site. As you can see here, I think you should go to google.com and type in a watchword, which is Google Decipher. Right now, you'll click on the inquiry button. You should be able to click on this, as you can see here. You can also change the type and order of the language here. https://translate.google.com. On the left, you can automatically translate the language into English, as you can see here. But this is small. You can do it on your computer or on your phone. So all you have to do is keep going and click on translate.google.com. Just click on this link here. Then, when you are ready, you could click on this page, which is bigger and easier to work on. So leading on the left here is Recognize Language. You want to copy and paste the article on the left here, so that when you get to your job, all you have to do is right-click and copy everything for this one. Then copy this, and I'll come back to this page to use Google Translate. Then I'll paste everything right here on the left so that they can automatically tell what language I'm using. Here you can see that Chinese is detected, which means that Google Translate knows this is a Chinese language. As you can see here, they will translate into English. So what I need to do is either copy all that snap duplicate or click on this duplicate button here. Then I'll open up another record by clicking on Record, then clicking on New, and finally clicking on Archive. So for now, I can stick my English translation here. On this new archive, I will go over the same conversation again. I'll come back here, and then I'll talk about the next part and what comes next. I'll just make a copy of this one. Click on Duplicate and return here. Then click on this and erase everything. Then click on Paste and New Text. Then I'll wait for the English translation. And then I'll just copy this one again. I'll just tap on this button here that says the same thing twice. Then come back here to this list. Then, when you get to that point, hit Enter and paste the next passage here. So you can use this method to talk about the same conversation again and again. Or you can just give the whole report. As you can see here, you can read the whole text report by tapping on the records here and clicking on this. You can click on this link to read on your PC. In fact, copy the entire Google report here to this Google Translator. So, they will figure out what the whole article means. Then, we'll be able to show that to different jobs and offers where you can get paid. For example, if you want to learn Chinese, they'll charge you a little less. As you can see, this is $75. Even so, if you're lucky, you might sometimes hear Spanish or German. Even the Japanese pay as much as $100 for each work, for example. Then, when you get to that point, all you can do is say the same thing over and over again. I just want to talk about this Japanese language. I'll just copy this one and go back to Google. I'll ask it to figure out what I will do the following text for you means. Then glue them here, and they'll start to speak English after that. It's a very easy conversation to have, and I think anyone can do it. Again, don't worry. You can do this on your phone or on your computer by going to google.com and looking for this Google Interpreter. Use this product or program to do the whole job for you. For more money-making secrets, hit the video on the screen now.